This union is not made by yourselves. Hindi kayo yung nag-uugnay. Kayo ay tumutugon lamang. Ang nag-uugnay sa inyo ay ang Diyos. Kaya ang sumpaan ninyo is as good as you live in this life. The contract is revoked, terminated by death.
Amor, today after 16 years of laughter, tears growing, learning and loving, you and I finally stand here, ready to become as one. Through every chapter of our story, you've been my rock, my best friend, my safe place. We built a life together long before this day. But today, I get to finally call you my husband.
Through thick and thin, through laughter and tears, I promise to be your steadfast companion, your loving husband, and your best friend forever. I give you my heart, my hand, and my unwavering love. Love, te quiero mucho, amor.
Agnes, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
I do.
Mark Louis, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, sir.
Are you both ready to raise as good Christians the children whom God will give you?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
So, nagkakilala po kami ni Mark sa Tenerife, Spain, sa may park.
Nag-ano siya ng taekwondo. Nag-ano rin po ng taekwondo, kaya doon po kami nakilala sa gym.
Pinakilala siya ng pinsan ko sa akin. Then, hindi ko siya pinansin nung una. Until nung nagsimula akong mag-gym, mag-taekwondo. Then, doon kami nagkakilala ng lubusan.
Siyempre, partner by partner na ano. Parang training. Kaya doon kami nagkakilala na dalawa. Parang love of first sight na. Nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, eto na yun. Siya na.
Nung nanligaw siya, sinabihan ko agad siya na kung manliligaw ka at kung lolokohin mo lang ako, wag na lang. Ayokong mag-waste tayo ng time sa isa't isa. And then pinatunayan naman niya yung good intention niya sa akin. Mutual decision na itratry namin kasi yung panliligaw is pwede niyang gawin araw-araw kahit kami na. Doon na kami magkakaroon ng base and foundation. And I think nag-work naman sa amin yung ganung way. So nung una, syempre bata-bata pa po kami. Kada sahod po namin sa part-time namin or allowance po, normal McDonald's lang po. Or sine kapag may discount. And until yung nag-grow na po kami pareho in both our careers. In my career po.
Pasyal, o kaya pupunta sa dagat, o gagawa ng pagkain, food. Kasi may siya sa pagkain po.
Nag-sacrifice po kami mag-LDR para ma-forsake po yung pangarap ko rin po para sa akin, sa pamilya ko. About sa proposal naman niya, it was a family outing po sa Switzerland.
Kinontsaba ko yung papa niya, mama niya, at saka yung kapatid niya po. At saka yung partner ng kapatid niya.
Mahilig po kasi ako sa Korean. Then, one of the tourist spot po is yung sa crash landing on you. Then, pumunta po kami doon sa may peak ng mountain na maraming snow. Kunwari, naglalakad po ako. Hindi ko naman po alam na nag-prepare na po pala siya in front of my family.
Kaya doon ako nag-propose sa may taas-taas na ano. Hindi ko alam pahalan nun.
Nag-uusap lang kami about life. Pero in that time, parang akala ko joke lang yun. And that's when I said, I do.
Huwag kang matakot kahit sa Di sana kayong naman sa lahat ng panahon. Ikaw
It was not by chance that you have met. It was by God's predestined time that you have to meet with each other.
Kumakabog na naman ang dibdib. Sa pagkabahala nadala ng daigdig. Sa dami ng nangyayari, saan ba ako lalapit kundi sa'yo lang ako kakapit. Kapag magulo ng mundo, ikaw ang payapang hinahanap-hanap ko. Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Ika'y nais ko sumibol kasama ka.
Do not forget this day, that this day God united you in the bond of marriage.
Ikaw lang, ikaw ang aking pahinga.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Spirit.
Mark Louis, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit.
Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib. Laman ka ng bawat panalangin, ikaw ang pahinga sa bawat sandali. Patungo sa'yo ang aking tinig at iisa lang ang sinasabi ng pindig. Ika'y sasalubungin.
I vow to keep choosing you just I have for the last 16 years. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin, lahat ng ups and down, I wouldn't have it any other way. I promise to love you with the same fierce, unwavering heart and even more from this forward. You are my forever, and today I get to seal that promise with the words with all my heart. I love you and see you later.
I promise to cherish you, to love you unconditionally, and to be your partner in life adventure. I vow to support your dream, to listen to your heart, and to always be your biggest cheerleader.
Isang sulyap mo lang, tila ako